Hello guys, welcome back to Bite Buddies. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and traditional South Indian peanut chutney. It's a versatile chutney that pairs perfectly with dosas, idlis or even plain rice. So let's get started. Alright, so for this recipe you will need the following. Right, I've roasted peanuts. It should be mildly roasted, don't roast it too dark, and 2 onions thinly and finely sliced, half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Please make sure that you use only freshly grated coconut and do not use grated coconut which has been kept in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 days. Fresh coconut, grated coconut gives a very good taste to the chutney. And curry leaves, a little bit of channa dal, mustard seeds for seasoning, few peeled garlics, 1 pinch of tamarind and red chilies, salt to taste, and I'm using peanut oil for this because for a peanut chutney it's always better to use peanut oil, but you can feel free to use even a sunflower oil or even a coconut oil, and a little bit of water. Okay, just a little bit of oil and chana dal. Slightly roast it till it becomes medium brown and simmer it. Also put little red chilies. Just roast it a little bit. Okay, once this is roasted a little bit, now we can put the onion. Mix it well. Let the entire mixture get roasted slightly. And we can switch off the flame now. Once it is off, we can just put in a little bit of curry leaves and just roast in that flame itself. Okay, now all of these ingredients are mildly roasted. You can see them. It's slight golden color. Now we need to transfer this entire content into another bowl and allow the entire mixture to become cool. Alright, so you can transfer and leave it like this for some time until it becomes cool. Alright, so now the mixture is cooled a little bit, so now you can transfer the entire contents into a blender. And along with this, I'm going to add the grated coconut and also the roasted peanut. A pinch of tamarind. Salt to taste. And a little bit of water now. First, let's add a little bit of water, grind it, and once you see the consistency, you can add a little bit more. Right? Now I'm gonna blend the entire contents into a mixie now. Okay, now this is finely blended. You can see this. This is the perfect consistency that we would need. It's neither too hard or too liquidy. The perfect blend. So let's transfer this into a pan now. Okay, so now let's get to the tempering part. So I'm going to heat a little bit of oil. Put little chana dal. Let's roast slightly. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the tempering on top of the chutney. Okay guys, so There you have a flavorful, tasty, yummy peanut chutney. So you can try the recipe and let me know your comments and feedback. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.